Do you want to be in it?
Why not?
Hey. Hey everybody, Lucas here. I just wanted to give a shout out to the crew of Station 37 for inviting us into their home. We greatly appreciated the warm welcome. Thanks also to all the Seattle Fire staff that were on hand to help with the event, as well as the cadets that helped out. It was awesome seeing all of you guys there. And a big shout out to my buddy Pete. Pete gave me my first Seattle Fire patch, which is super awesome. Seattle Firehouse 37, the 30 Heavens. Pete thought that this might have been because the station, or the original station, was next to a church. They also have this cool art installation outside the station that kind of looks like angel wings, which I will show you in just a second. So thank you, Pete. I greatly appreciate it. It was nice seeing some other fans of my channel there on Saturday, and hopefully I will see more of you as the weather gets nicer and we spend more time outside. So as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.